What is up, guys? Techni24 here, and today I'll be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro. Not the Pro Max, just the Pro. So this one is the blue color, Pacific blue, and 256 gigs, which I think is a perfect balance in between. Also not a humongous phone. Alright, so let's get to it. It's going to be a very short unboxing and a quick comparison with my last phone. Wow, that is a beautiful color. Good mother of God, that is beautiful. I love blue. This is beautiful. Yeah, the SIM ejector tool and the iPhone cable. No power adapter. So here it is. So here's a quick comparison between this and my iPhone XS. As you can see, it's definitely a little bit chunkier, a little bit taller. Alright, and let's get to it. Whew. Brand new iPhone in all its glory. Alright, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe.